Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use the DSers with TikTok Shop. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order for you to start using DSers with your TikTok Shop here, you need to install TikTok Shop into your DSers account. So how do you do this? So first things first, go to dsers.com, log in into your account, and from here on, you want to go to the very bottom section of your screen on the right side. Now, by default, since I have connected in my Squarespace store, but here, click on Link More Account, and you will be redirected to this page. I want to go ahead and scroll down a bit here. I want to look for TikTok US or just TikTok. Now, depending on where you are, so if you're in the US, you want to make sure to select TikTok US, or if you are in other countries that support selling, well, in this case, you need to choose TikTok. Let's go and click on it. Now, in this case, in order for you to access or to bind a store into your account here, further, it needs to upgrade your plan. But yeah, so once you have a premium plan here on a DSers, you could go ahead and proceed with the login process to our TikTok Shop account here. And from then on, you should be good to go. So that's basically how you can use the DSers with TikTok Shop. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks!